Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2012 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Cummins diesel, 4-wheel drive. It's got 215,000 miles on it. It's got 11-foot IMT Dominator with a 7,500 pound 30-foot IMT crane, hydraulic air compressor, has manual outriggers. It's got a nice little toolbox in this front cabinet up here. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Cummins. We bought the truck in Utah. We bought it in Virginia. It's been all over the country, really. I think it was originally in Utah. But I'll walk around and show it to you. And another thing, this truck has had a reman engine put in it at some point in its life. I'm not sure when, but the engine is a Cummins reman engine. So it does not have 215,000 miles. I'm not sure how many miles it has, but it does have a newer engine in it. So let's walk around and look at it. AC blows cold. Okay, so excuse me. Obviously, it's not a new truck. It's got a lot of rock chips that have been touched up here and there. It's got a little bit of rust on the bed, nothing major. I'm gonna point that out. There's a spot here, a little spot here, a couple little spots right here. It's pretty normal on the IMT body. You're gonna see that right there. That's pretty normal on these beds as well. It does have an enclosed cover which slides forward, and a lot of people want to know, can I take that off? Well, yeah, you can do just about whatever you want to do. It could come off. It's not designed to. This PTO switch here. Run your idle up off the cruise control. showing you the basic functions, that everything works like it should. All right. All right, so if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of this truck. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're probably going to be looking around $1.75 to $2 a mile to ship this truck to you. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what I'll do is go on our board and post it, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York, Maine, Utah, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take longer. Sometimes we get them picked up immediately. It's just got a lot to do with where you're located. But, you know, if you're one of the guys, you got to know the exact second it's going to pull up in your driveway and the exact second it's leaving here. I don't have a way to tell you that. All I can tell you is I've been doing this for 10 years and I got a pretty good idea of what I'm doing. But if you are one of those guys, the only way to know all that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to see the truck. We only accept certified funds. All right, so again, this is a 12 model Ram 5500, 215 on the miles, 4-wheel drive. It's had a reman engine put in it at some point in its life. 7,500 pound IMT 30-foot crane. You don't see the 30-foot a lot. This one has it. Nice truck. Runs out and drives good. It does have all the emissions in place on it. It's all stock. So if you're in a state that requires that, all of that is on the truck. All right, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. Thanks for watching.